Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a custom domain in ActiveCampaign. This is essential if you want your marketing emails to come from your own branded domain, which helps build trust with your recipients and improves email deliverability. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and head over to ActiveCampaign.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to both your ActiveCampaign account and your domain hosting provider, as you'll need both open during this process. Once you're logged in, look at the left side menu and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your account. From the Settings menu, click on Advanced. This section contains more technical setup options, including the domain settings we need to configure. Now, scroll down until you see the Sending Domains section. You'll notice a text box here where you need to enter your domain name. Type in your domain exactly as it appears without any www or HTTPS, just the domain itself. After entering your domain, click on Configure Domain. This action tells ActiveCampaign to prepare the necessary DNS records for your domain verification. You'll need to wait a moment for ActiveCampaign to load your required DNS records. This usually takes just a few seconds, but be patient as the system generates everything you need. Once it's done, you'll now see DKIM, SPF, and DMARC records displayed on your screen. These are critical authentication records that verify your domain and improve email deliverability. Keep this tab open as you'll be copying information from here in just a moment. Open a new tab in your browser and log into your domain host. This could be any provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Hostinger, Cloudflare, or Bluehost. The interface might look slightly different depending on your provider, but the process remains essentially the same across all platforms. Once you're logged into your domain host, search for DNS or navigate to your DNS management page. This is typically found in your domain settings or hosting dashboard. The DNS management area is where you'll add the records that ActiveCampaign provided. Click on Add Record in your DNS dashboard. This button might also say Add New Record or Create Record, depending on your host. This is where you'll input the authentication records from ActiveCampaign. Now, go back to your ActiveCampaign tab and copy the first record. Then return to your DNS dashboard and paste it exactly into the DNS fields. Start by selecting the record type shown, which is usually TXT or CNAME, then paste the host or name value into the appropriate field. Followed by the value field, make sure everything matches exactly as shown in ActiveCampaign, including any underscores or special characters. Once you've entered everything correctly, click Save. Your DNS provider may take a moment to process and save this new record. Repeat this process for the remaining DKIM, SPF, and DMARC records until all records are added. Each record is important for proper domain authentication, so make sure you add all of them without skipping any. Once all records are saved in your DNS settings, the changes may take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours to fully propagate, though it's usually much faster. And that's it. You've successfully configured your custom domain in ActiveCampaign, which will now allow you to send emails from your own branded domain with proper authentication. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.